On 9th of July at around 2:30 p.m., it was observed that the water is oozing out inside the Pannam tunnel. Hence, Konkan Railway had regulated many of the trains, and our engineering officials, they reached at the site and carried out the restoration work. In fact, this due to heavy rains, water was oozing out from the bottom of the tunnel, floor of the tunnel, and along with that some soil was also coming. So our engineering people, they went there with sufficient laborers, supervisors, and they attended that portion of the tunnel, and traffic was restored that day at around 10:30 p.m. But again in the midnight, that is early morning of 10th, yesterday, water intensity increased and oozing also increased. Because of that, we had to cancel and divert many of the trains. Then our chairman and managing director, Sri Santosh Kumar Jha, he was here in Goa for some other work. So immediately he rushed to the site, personally supervised the restoration activities at the site. Even our chief engineers, director, way and works, everybody was there. All our senior officials, then engineers, then more than around 200 laborers we had engaged. And yesterday night, we could restore back the track for normal traffic at evening 8:35 hours. After that, trains have resumed. First train to move on this from this Pannam tunnel was that empty rake of 2619 Matsaganda Express, which was kept at Sawantwadi, and it was sent to Mangalore. So today's Matsaganda going towards LTT will be running. Then subsequently trains have started plying on this section.